In today's video, I'm going to show you 6 web development side hustle to make a lot of money. In this video, we are going to see the building website, creating logos, creating selling page, creating landing page, creating online store, creating online tool, and creating banner. This is a few among web development side hustle that you can say. So let's look one after another. Building website. This involves building website for the client. Most of people need a website for their service and a blog. So you can start helping people to build website and make a lot of money. You can use Fiverr or blog to provide your service. Another is creating logo. Most of people and the company have online product and online service, so they need logo for their for their company and the product. So you have to create a best and a well attractive logos and sell to your client. You can open an account on Fiverr.com. I put the link here down on the description for Fiverr.com, and you can use a website, creating website on Hostinga.com, and start promoting your service. Another is creating selling pages. Many people have a product which they can sell online, so you can help them to creating selling page and get paid a lot of money. You have to consider the type of product in which the client is going to sell it. Make sure you're creating the selling page which is relevant to the kind of product. Another side hustle for the web development side hustle are creating landing page. Landing page, this is a page which collects personal information before a person is directed to the product or service. This is mostly used by professional seller to collect the personal information like an email and build a strong email list. You can start helping people to creating a landing page on Fiverr.com, or you can create your blog on Hostinga.com and start selling your service. Another web development side hustle is creating online store. Nowadays, most of people have a lot of product and service, so they want to put it online. So you can help them to create a best store which they can sell their product, and you will make a lot of money per single task. You may have to make sure you create a selling online store depending on kind of product or service. So you have to consider types of product someone is going to sell it. Make sure you create a relevant store depending on kind of product or service. You can promote your side hustle using Fiverr.com or creating website on Hostinga.com. I put all link of Fiverr and Hostinga.com on the description. And another is creating online tool. Online tool, this is a tool which helps people to complete different tasks. Example of online tool are ChatGPT. This is one among online tool which help people to write different articles. So you can help people to creating this kind of tool and selling it to your client. You can use the website like CodeCanyon.net to sell this type of service, or you can create your own website which you are going to sell your service. Another web development side hustle is creating banner. Banner, this is a promotion material like a picture which are used to promote different product and service. Most of people have no knowledge of creating this type of material. You can help them to creating well engaged and well attractive material banners and sell it to them. These banners are very essential for promoting online product and service. Yes, in general, web development side hustle is very demanded niche. You can start making a lot of money from this side hustle because most of people now they demand online product, or they need to upgrade their product from local selling system to online selling system. So you can help it to create different material like landing page, selling page, online store, different to different people, and make a lot of money. Thank you for your time.